What's happening with your YouTube? It's another motherfucking ratchet review. So y'all already seen these Breds, but hey, it's another pair of things on deck. I was gonna be like, hey, shit, do the breakdown on them, but hey, they the same as the last pair, so shit, it is what it is. I ain't gonna do no full battle rap on them things. But then I got them damn them bone 500 Yeezy shits with the fucking, man, this factory tag on them things so funny, but shit, we gonna get into it, man. First off, let me y'all hit that like button if you fuss with your boy. So if you don't, hit that dislike and get the fuck straight like that. Make sure that everybody that is fucking with your boy, fuck you haters with a sick dick, no rubber. Shit, hey, merch link in the description. And shit, I'm finna just get off into it. Man, this thing, like I said, one more again, them Bred things. Y'all see all that info on there. Box coming with the paper in that thing. It's a big stamped up, you hear me? Shit, that's it for the box. Y'all see the actual shoes. I mean, like I said, I done did a full battle route on them things. If y'all ain't seen that bitch, shit, y'all is tripping like a bow-legged midget. Go back and watch the video, comparing with the real pair that they sent from over there, bitch. And shit, y'all can see what's happening with them. But what we here for? What we motherfucking here for? Well, shit, some of y'all probably like, nigga, I see Bred of Lambs on the thumbnail. Shit, go look back at the video. What we here for now is these damn Yeezys. And y'all already know, shit, with the Yeezys, cuz I don't make the news, I just report it. So we finna get into that bit quick, faster than a hurry. Bam, 500 on the box. Bam, they go to label. Yeezy 500, bone white, bone white, bone white. Size 12, my size. Y'all already know. I had another for sale. I repeat, I had another for sale, except for that merch link in the description. But yeah, I got the little paper in there. And shit, that's it. Now the actual factual shoes. Now, man, this is touching on that thing what niggas talking about, you know what I'm talking about? All them top tier Jones over there and all them, man, how they over there putting in that work over that thing. Like, bruh, look at the name of this junk. Look at the name of the factory, cuz. As a matter of fact, let me turn it around right there. Look what that bitch say. That bitch say, can't stop, won't stop. You hear me? Like, cuz, that is just so funny to me. Got them a little logo and some more shit on that thing. Look at that. Man, cross that wall, I ain't playing, you hear me? Well, yeah, we go to that, there go all the other little tags, blam, bam, blam, blam, blam. And now, let's get into these thick sole ass shoes, you hear me? I mean, I'm not gonna lie, like, these bitches is ugly, but I kind of want to fuck with them because they look like they just so comfortable. Now, I have slid some on or whatnot. I ain't feel like no incredible feeling, but I ain't walking none or nothing like that. So I don't know, cuz. I mean, the color all over look kind of like the color with them blushes or whatever, or desert rats, but it's light. What shit? It's real light bone. Like, shit, for real. This how them damn snake skin 11 lows should have been instead of having that little pink hue to it. Like, these is just like, shit, just light bone all over. You know what I'm saying? You got your mesh shit right there. Like I said, these so big, thick things, man. Feel like, man, almost remind me of the Crazy Eights. You feel me? Them Kobe shit. Got that good leather right there. Fucking tumbled motherfucking nubuck shit or whatever the fuck it is. It's nice though. Shit. It's nice. On the toes and shit, you got this, you know what I'm saying? This motherfucking shit, just fuzzy wuzzy, nigga. Shit, that shit just fuzzy wuzzy. It's like, I would, you know what I'm saying? Ain't got no color chain like that because it's, man, shit, it's all the fucking same color. Little over laces, you know what I'm saying? Little leather part right here going around the little tongue and shit. Noise. Shit, more little mesh shit on the tongue right there. I mean, shit. Cause like I said, hey, I don't make the news. I just report it on these things. Man, you see the bottoms, all them little crazy designs, you know, grip, traction, boost, whatever the hell up in there. I don't know. Ortholite soles. Bitch say Yeezy Ortholite. They go to size tag info. Blam. US 12. Mail shit, numbers, bloom, shit, art, LV3 shit, all that good shit. Go to the inside of that bit. You know what I'm saying? More mesh, more good leather, new bucket size, new shit. Man, I don't know what that is. That's like motherfucking that tumble. That's like how them damn them cool great 10s, you feel me? Like that tumble kind of like squade buck almost. Like shit. That be nice though. Shit, that be nice. Oh matter of fact, let me not make sure I don't get these too dirty. More the little fuzzy wuzzy right there and shit. I mean, hell. Hey, if you like them, I love them. Like I said with these Yeezy, cause I don't make the news. I just report it. Do a quick video for y'all on them things, shit, and hell, y'all already know shit. Y'all wanna know about that good old info, hit me up on that IG, super_duper_rupa, and shit, I'll let you know what the business be. Get that booty shot on there, bam. That booty, hey, that big old booty, hey. Got more of that suede buck leather or whatever the hell. And shit, I mean, that's it. I ain't seeing no glue, no overages, no peaks, no off stitching or nothing. Shit, I mean, hell. If y'all see something off, let me know. Shit, but yeah, that is, man. Yeezy 500 bone jumps and shit. More packs coming, more everything coming. A like, comment, subscribe. A like, comment, subscribe. Fuck with me.